Hey besties, welcome to my channel again. I'm Snigdha and we live in the northeasternmost part of India, which is little different from mainland India in the sense the way we look, the way we dress, our food habits, the way we do gardening, everything is different here. If you were following my previous videos, you may have known that we live in the highest rainfall receiving area in the whole world. This area, Meghalaya, receives 465 inches of rainfall per year. In this northeastern part of India, we have 8 states, and all states, they're more nearer to China or Burma or Thailand than mainland India. So, we are a perfect mixture of Oriental culture and Indian heritage. This place produces a rarity of veggies and fruits due to high precipitation and high humidity. Cane fruit is one of them. Cane fruit or caneberry comes from that plant which gives us walking sticks, furniture, building materials, baskets, etc. etc. And this video is all about how we eat cane fruit or caneberry. Right. Wait. Even if the cane fruit is ripe, it's too sour to taste. So you cannot have too many in one go in the raw form. So we make sweet candies and tasty squash for the summer days. My home is in no wastage zone, so nothing goes to waste. Caneberry peels are a very good source of nutrition from a plant, so we will not waste it just by throwing it away. Maybe someday I will make a video how we use these curry leaves. Do you have this plant in your country? You can tell me. And this section, I call it as my worthless strokes because I know there is no worth about my art, but it makes me so happy, In fact, whenever I get free time, if I am not indulging in my garden activities, I will be sitting in this corner and creating something for me. I know, they are not very good, but it's my creation. I love them. Cane fruit is basically rich in vitamin C, but also rich in vitamin B1, vitamin B2, B3, B5, and B6. Also, they're rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium, and other micronutrients. It's been 1 week now. I kept the berries with sugar to ferment and it's ready. It's so refreshing, especially when the sun is strong and you worked hard. Cheers! Let me enjoy my drink and you enjoy my video about how we make cane fruit candies. Okay? And thank you so much for watching and give it a like please. It will help me. Alright? My cane fruit squash is ready. And I'll store it for later use. The shelf life is almost 3 months if you keep it in the fridge. I'm not basically a sweet lover, but if you have a sweet tooth, then you must taste this because its tanginess and flavor makes it really unique. Once you get the chance, you just taste it. The next step, we need to preserve the cane fruits as well. So first, we need to sun-dry these fruits. Oh, look at my fish. It's swimming in the squash pool now. I need little labeling because I keep forgetting things and keep making things also. So sometimes it's really confusing which was what. My cane fruit squash is ready, but I'm not done yet because we need to go to the rooftop garden where we can sun-dry our cane fruits. Please come. Though it's little sunny today, most of the time we don't see the sun because it's always raining. So if there is no sun, then we keep the berries in the fridge so that berries remain fresh till we get some sun. And this is my tiny little rooftop garden. And it's time to store it and make preparations for my cane fruit candies. If I tell you, I love the candies most because they are sweet, salty, spicy and tangy. So it's my favorite. Now it's time for my worthless jokes. If I think myself, then I don't know which one I like the most, the art or the gardening. I have equal feelings, equal passion, and both are indispensable in my life. Yes. This is the place where I spend most of my time. Birds and clouds are constant companion here. I love this place because while I'm doing gardening here, I can be in nature.